Hello guys, welcome back for some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. We're standing outside of Dom's house right now because I want to give him a gym. I wasn't happy with the very small renovation we did for him. So let's go ahead, hi Hornsby, and talk to Tom Nook about designing Dom's house. Look at him, he's so cute. I have to start maybe giving them some spring and summer clothing to wear. I try not to give them clothing that often, but I couldn't resist on Valentine's Day giving them all the heart sweaters. What do we have? I need to clean this out. Not going to do that now. Also, if you hear any little thumping and bumping or meowing behind me, or well, behind me on the microphone here, I set up an automatic laser toy for my cat Scarlet. I'm not always a fan of the laser toys for cats because sometimes I think it can kind of frustrate them a little bit. They're always chasing it and never capturing it. And my other cat, Nico, would go bonkers over these things. He would just get too out of control. But Scarlet, she seems okay with it. It doesn't seem to drive her too nuts. And I'm trying to get her more active. She really needs to lose some weight. She's a little chonky. And so, oh gosh, I just turned to look at her. She's just sitting there now with her back to the toy. So maybe she's not as impressed as I thought. So I have that set up just to see if she'll chase it a little bit. And she was. I think she's just getting a little tired of it. But baby girl needs more exercise, as do I. So if you hear any noises, that's what it is. Yeah, let's talk to Dom. I'm gonna sip some tea. I'm sorry, I'm on new allergy medicine that is drying my throat out. Okay, sorry about that. So I need to keep drinking, otherwise my voice is gonna crack. Okay, what do you think? Are you okay in trusting Moxie with your home? I hope so. I didn't do that great a job the first time. And look, how cute is that shirt, by the way? It's one of the designs we have available on our app, just a default design. I thought it was cute. It went with the Paradise Planning sandals I bought. All right, let's go do this. We're gonna give him just a nice little gym to work out in. Might figure out a way to put some sort of bed. I don't know. We're gonna do the interior. We are fine with the exterior. And I was going to show you guys Hamfrey's house because he's on our island, but he's out wandering around. Are you getting it? Oh, she's chasing it and meowing at it a little. Oh, I hope this helps her out. I try playing with her with, interactive toys with the, just me and her, and she's not interested. She doesn't want a feather on a stick. She doesn't want little balls I throw around the ground. She doesn't want any of that. If I'm holding a laser pointer, she's not that interested in it. She's getting a little excited right now, a little rambunctious. Oh, I love to see her chasing it. Okay, it's set. It goes around the floor in a kind of a circle and up along the wall a bit. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna get, oh no. Are you getting too excited? Yeah? Okay, I'll turn it off in just a minute, baby. I don't want her to get frustrated. That's the thing. Oh God, bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay, I don't like his choice of music. Yeah, let's get rid of this. That was a dumb wall. I don't know why I put that as an accent wall. I love that he has the backyard with grass, though. Part of me almost wants to keep that. Let's see how that rock climbing wall looks as an accent wall. Is that at the bottom? I might have just flown past it. Good girl, Scarlet. Chase it. Maybe that's the exterior of his house, and it's a rock climbing wall. I love that he's a little sheep with his little backyard here. Part of me wants to kind of keep that look, but maybe Maybe we don't. Maybe it's just time I said goodbye to that. Go with the dojo wall. That's kind of cool. Even then, just do the rock climbing on one of these other walls. Gym flooring. I don't know that we'll use the gym flooring. That makes more sense, I feel like, if it were a larger house and we were going to put up some basketball hoops. Let's see, what all do we have? I had to check for a second. I was afraid I hadn't hit start recording. Should we do some of the rubber flooring? Ooh, that's a little childish. Yeah, that's too childish. But the rubber flooring, I kind of makes sense to me in a way. I want to see what other walls we have. I really liked his backyard wall, though. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm only halfway paying attention here. I'm still trying to watch the cat. Wow, I didn't know I had this many different playroom walls. Okay. I just know there's walls I've forgotten that we even have. Shelving, no. No. Maybe make that wall an accent wall. I don't know. I think we might go with just a different... We could have a crowd cheering him on. Oh, yeah, the prom wall. I kind of want to go set up a prom room in my husband's house. I think I told you guys I kind of want to do that, except I won't be able to record. I can record doing it, but I won't be able to record his reaction to anything I do in his house. But since he's not playing, I kind of want to set up little themed rooms. One room would be, he does like colorful, I think. One room would be a bunny day room. One room would be maybe a prom. I've already got a festival room going. I kind of like just the wood knot wall. Who would not want a wood knot wall? Oh gosh, I must be stopped. That's good too. So yeah, I kind of want to do that. Kind of punk my husband a little bit. Common wall kind of would work. Ooh. Maybe, yeah, let's do concrete. There we go. What does paintball look? Yeah, too splattery. Let's do concrete with the concrete floor. That way we could put down some exercise mats and stuff. This might be higher up. I can never remember. Yeah. So if I want to do a bunny day room in his house, that means I have to make 2 of each bunny day item because I want some for myself too. Worth it. Who knows how long it will be before he even logs into play again. Okay, there we go. So we'll just do that. It's so different than his happy little workout or backyard. We'll keep the one window for now. Let's change the flooring coming into the hall. There we go. Now let's get out all kinds of workout goodies. And also I want to see, I don't think, yeah, we could give him back his inflatable sofa. He used to have that originally in his house. We'll give him probably his cassette player back. All right, let's figure out what the heck we're going to do. I do want to give him a little, yeah, I don't think we're going to do like a little living space. We might do a little bar with some stools though for for like snack times and such. I don't know. We'll revisit that. I could give him a massage chair for when he's done with his workout. Just want to see if there's any... Oh, we might do the diner counter chairs with a counter. That might be kind of neat. Yeah, let's grab those as we see them. We're just going to kind of go through here and grab things. Might even sneak in, like... Trying to visualize in my head how to do it. Like a little living space plus a workout space. And make it work together. I feel like the diner stuff might go with a gym better than anything else. And we could do some benches and stuff as well instead, but I want him to have some comfortable things as well as workout things. I don't think I need that. And I'll probably change the colors up. I'm just grabbing things right now while I'm thinking. While the wheels are turning in my brain. Oh, we could do the hat, table, and chair, but no, they're kind of big. Hi, Scarlett. Are you done? Should I turn it off? Okay. I'm just going to roll over here and turn it off. Or let's put it in standby. Okay. I don't know how all this thing works. Oh, now I got to reposition my chair. You get a little tired? You were chasing it for quite like 10 minutes. Just more like watching it. Yeah, you can come lay down now. I put it in standby mode. I think in like 5 minutes it'll stop working. Oh, a gurney for when he's worked his legs too hard and just can't walk. No. Yeah, I want him to have some creature comforts and worky outy. Maybe use that for storage. Now we gotta start looking for gym stuff as well. So not all of this may stay in the room. If I see it and it triggers a little something. Oh yeah, we could have just done climbing wall. I like the whole accent wall though instead. That works for me. Hopefully it will work for him. Do we want to give him? Not right now. We'll worry about lighting later. Music later. I think, like I said, the little cassette player, we'll give that back to him. We should be getting to workout stuff pretty quickly here. Pretty quickly here. Except, see, now I'm afraid I skipped stuff we might want. Like a drink machine could be kind of fun. You know, none of that stuff. None of that stuff. Nope, nope, nope. Here we go. I don't know if he wants all of the things. Oh God, how cool would a little pool be in here instead of a, no, we're not going to do that, but really fun for a build. Nook Ink yoga mat. I think we'll just use the regular yoga mat. Oh gosh, we've got this and this. Not going to use any of that or that. No keeping score. Maybe he plays golf. Okay, let's start moving this stuff around. I can't stop looking. Okay. Let's figure this out. Gonna need to kind of divide the space up a bit. Put all the workout stuff on this side for now. Look at Tom Nook nodding like he knows what's going on. Can this go up on anything? No, too big. Okay, this goes on this half. So could do like an L shape of workout stuff with just a little sitting and eating area here. Maybe. What if we put that there? Yeah, we're not going to have room for that. And then do instead of putting the counter against the wall like we usually do. There could be seating on this side. Maybe. But then why does he have a little, why would he have a little sofa here? Gotta think it out a little bit. I don't like the red. Let's see though what other colors we have. Oh, blue's good. I love the aquamarine and I love all of the colors. Might keep the red though, because it kind of goes, I know I can change these up as well. But again, I like the red. Aw, baby girl, you're lying down. You're all done? Oh, of course this doesn't come in red. Why would it? Looks like it has a little red trim. So let's, yeah, yeah, we'll flip this. We can do a hanging monitor for like his TV or something, or hang one on the wall. So he could still have, there, you could, that's a little weird now though with the stools there. Although they could be like a little, instead of a coffee table, we could do little stools. You'd think by now I'd have a better grasp of what I'm trying to do with these builds. I do not. Maybe we don't even want the counter. Although I kind of like the way it looks. Yeah, let's just scooch that up. I don't know. You'd think by now I'd start to have a plan with these, but no, I don't. I just want a space that's more him. Put this here. Oh God, but part of me now is thinking, what if we give him back his backyard with the pool in it? With the workout. Oh shoot. I might do that. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let's put it back. Wait, let's go here. Base design. Backyard fence wall. Backyard lawn. Oh, I didn't need to go up on the wall. We get rid of... Whoops. We do use this as an accent wall here. For fun. I want to see what the pool would look like here and just give him a backyard full of workout equipment. I kind of like this idea. Where was that? I feel like it was under plumbing. Okay, I feel like maybe I was wrong then. Where was the bathtub? Or not bathtub, the pool. I can't remember if it's called swimming pool or pool. Let's go alphabetical. Whoop. LMNOP. That is not the right one. Okay, there we go. Kind of like this idea. I know it's a little silly. Let's get rid of some of this stuff now because we have a little too much stuff. And then we could just give them a poolside bed. Is this dumb, you guys? I don't know. It might be dumb, but it's also like kind of maybe a cute idea. Keep his backyard, just make it a little fancier. I don't know if this is any better than what we had. It's kind of fun. Could even give him back. I don't think we have room to give him back his barbecue. Okay, let's go up to the beds. Yeah, I think a poolside bed. If I just made what I was doing, like if I just made this even worse. Do we have any sports patterns? Eh, so far, no. Not really, no. Okay. Or just the polka dot. That might be a little busy. I think this is probably dumb, but I want to live with it for a while. I mean, if we don't like it, we can always change it. Where do we want the bed to go? Maybe we'll put some stuff over here. Maybe less workout stuff than we've got going. I don't know. Let's keep that. Put this in the corner. I want to keep the medicine ball. Pink. There, that way he can still get on the treadmill. And we'll put this direction. Let's change the color. I do not care for the polka dots. Maybe we'll keep it white. No, I don't want it white. Black, because it kind of goes with the exercise equipment. I don't know. Blue, well. That's not so bad. I also kind of almost want to give him back his barbecue, though. Maybe we do go with the hammock. Let's go with the hammock. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm a little wishy-washy. I like the hibiscus flowers. I don't have any custom designs that would really work, I don't think, for sports. Oh, I need to delete this one. It's going to get rid of a design I have, but I realized we have a custom design from Sable that's almost the same as that. Okay, yeah, no. Hibiscus it is. So which side? You know, this is kind of funny. I don't know. That's just in the way. Have I gone completely nuts? Should I go back to what I was doing? I need to see which is the top. I can't ever remember just by looking at it. There we go. Maybe we'll just keep it like this through summer even. I don't know. Put that... Okay. Actually, let's put that there. Maybe, I don't know. Do we want to go back to just... I think the exercise bike. Let's go back to that. Yeah, it takes up a little less space. And we can pretend he can actually get on it from there. And then he's got his hammock. We could even give him back now his, do we give him back his brick oven? I mean, I feel like that's what he would be using in his bed. Or just a regular barbecue. Maybe we'll do just a regular barbecue. Forget about that. Outdoor kitchen could work too. I don't remember where that is. Of course, there we go. Yeah. What is, well, we'll leave his hammock by the poolside. It'd be funny if I walked in here and he was actually using the barbecue for cooking on. Put a little table next to it and one next to the hammock. I don't know if I've made his house better or worse. If you guys have any Dom ideas, let me know. I would love to hear them. I think we'll use a little stool next to the hammock. Let's see. Which one? I'm going to use it for a little table. I think I've made this worse. Oh, gosh. I never know. I'll probably keep that in the light wood, I think. Let's maybe change the wood on the hammock. Yeah, go light. Do we want a yellow barbecue? That might be pretty. Like the red tube. I think the yellow, it brings out the hibiscus flowers on the hammock. Oh, gosh. I don't know why I'm doing it this way, but it's making me kind of happy. Can we pull this out enough that we'd be able to then get a plant behind it? I don't know. Let's see how it might look weird anyway, but let's see. I am really hitting my controller hard. I don't know why. Oh, this would be too big. I'd love it if I could fit this in here somewhere. We did this. No, it's still not going to fit. How much room would it need? Way more than... Well... That's too big. But he had a backyard to begin with, so I like that we're, like, still trying to keep a backyard for him. I wish I could put him there. Yucca. Yucca, yucca, yucca. He can get, so he can still get in and out. I don't like that plant. No. What do we put over here? Try a few different things, see how different plants look. I mean, that's more backyardy. That's not. Yeah, we'll go with that. Leave it in the terracotta pot. This went a way different direction than I thought I was going to go with it. Oh, I don't know, you guys. Let's maybe move the plant over this way. Move everything over back the way I had it. I realized how much I want him to still have his backyard. We're just kind of giving him some workout equipment and updating it a little. So the exterior of his house is now a rock wall. Should we pull the exercise bike out just a little? It's a little more interesting, maybe. Yeah. I don't know, you guys. I think I might still not be super happy with Dom's house. But I feel like this is a little bit better than what we had going. Oh, we could still give him a yoga mat or something. I wanted to just do like that. Let's give him his energy drink or protein drinks. I gotta look more carefully. I forget what that's under. I don't like it. I'll just blame it on the allergy medicine. It's making me spacey and weird. Like, I recorded a couple of videos yesterday for No Place Like Home, which is a game kind of new. I think it's still a little bit in early access, but I think it's fully released now. I don't even remember much of what happened in the game yesterday or what I was rambling on about. I think at one point I even mentioned The Walking Dead. I don't even remember why that came up. Let's see, does he want strawberry? I think we'll go cocoa. That's what I'd prefer. So yeah, I've been just a little, not quite myself lately. Trying new allergy medicines and stuff, and they're just making me feel a little bit drugged. So we're just gonna blame all of my poor decisions on that. Give them some outdoor lighting. I think we'll keep it in black. I know it comes in white as well, but yeah, a little contrast. Let's see what our different lighting choices are. And I'll give him back his music. I haven't forgotten. No. Can't decide what those are the same. Okay, it just seems a little bright. No, it's too orange. Woo. Psychedelic. Yeah, I almost wish this... Okay, let's just... No. I want it to look like a nice sunny day, and these just aren't quite right. We'll just leave it however. I guess like that. Okay. What would he have on his little table there? Got his protein drink. Give him a snack. Could be where we put his radio. Let's put this somewhere. I think just right there, like that. I like the yellow. You guys, is this better than what it was? I don't know. I don't know if it's better or worse. I need something else in here. Something kind of fun. Oh, we could do a little plant. I love this little paradise planting planter. That's cute. Maybe the little succulent, though. Yeah. Can't really hang anything on the walls. I'm not going to do hanging lanterns. I mean, it's still a little boring. It's just not quite right. But I do like going with the backyard idea. I like keeping it a backyard for him. I guess we'll give him back his KK Country. It's what he likes, just because I'm not maybe the biggest fan. I think this is what we're going to stick with for now. If we think of anything else, I kind of just want to look a little bit more for things that we could just kind of put down random. I don't know. I think this is it, though. Oh, and the fishing tourney is coming up on Saturday. I don't think I'll be recording that because I already did. It's cute. I did a video for the last fishing tournament, and there's really nothing new. It's all the same as it was last year as well. So, oh, let's give him a beach ball. So I think, yeah, I'm not, I know I'm going to play it. I just don't think I'm going to record it. I don't think I did the bug tournament, so maybe when that comes around, I'll make a recording of that. Or did I? I can't remember. Anyway, I am having fun, though, now that spring is here, running around in-game, collecting some of the bugs and stuff I don't have in the museum. I got an Atlas moth last night. I was very careful. Got it on the beach. I almost didn't see it and almost ran right into it. So yeah, I think we're done. I think this is it. I actually do like it better than what it was before. Let's maybe change these up just a little. Yeah, yellow. That looks good. Probably shouldn't have it right up against the wall like that, but I'm just doing it so it's all neat and orderly. Does he want a little pool float? Let's give him a little pool float to sit on. We could even give him a... I don't know if he has that just laying around in here somewhere. I'm not sure where the pool float shows up. If it's under seating, it might be under seating because it is a seat. That would make sense. Oh, whoopee cushion. Oh, I want to give him a whoopee cushion so every time I come in here, if he were to sit down. Oh, we're under miscellaneous. Helps if we're under the right category. Uh-oh. I don't know what they're... Maybe they're under the outdoor things. I'll just go grab the one from the beach and plop it in here. Bicycle. Oh. What if we hung a bike on his wall? Forgot we've got the hanging cruiser bike. Let's do that. Oh, maybe you're in the skateboards too. I like this light blue. Oh, wait, that's not the hanging bike. I thought that was the hanging bike. I guess, duh. Wait, yeah, I'm under wall mount. Okay, I wasn't under wall mounted. Now I am. Maybe we'll just do the skateboards or something. I really thought we had a hanging bike too. There it is. Oh, I like the lime. I think we're going to go with the lime. Oh, how fun. Pop, pastel, cool, damage. I want to give him the pop. Put those over here. Oh, the lights are in the way. Let's put them up higher. That is a busy wall. Could also just only do one light above the door. Maybe we'll do that. How does that look? Busy, but kind of fun. Can't really see it till you come in and really look around. Oh yeah, and I forgot I was going for the the little pool floaty. I don't know what that's under. There we go. I'm not sure. That's just too silly now. Maybe. You put it. I'm trying to figure out where to put it so it's not like right when you walk in the door. I don't know if this is really a Dom house or not, but it's a fun backyard. And he started out with a backyard, and we've just kind of updated his backyard a bit, but also giving him some workout equipment, some fun stuff hanging on the outside of his house there. I'm happier with this than what we had going. I kind of like it. I think we're okay. I think we're done. The exterior is fine. Be neat if you could hang like the skateboards and stuff up on the exterior. Not really. We're done. I hope you guys like this, and thank you for being patient with me while I've been a little extra space cadet-y lately with the different medications I'm trying out. I was a little distracted too with Scarlet at the beginning, but she's having a nice little nap now. She got a little exercise. That's good. Let's go talk to Dom, see what he thinks about it. Hopefully he likes it. Oh, there's Hamfrey. Weren't satisfied with the first remodel, huh? Well, I'm glad you'll be getting another rep in. I'm ready for whatever you got. Pretend you're me and give me the Dom special. All right, well, that's going to do it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.